What we doing today, Bubba?
Bro, we're going hiking.
Hey, we're going hiking. All right, let's go get in the whip.
Who this? Telephone call from young Cardi, said it's slit. Call the young lord, A$AP Bari, he legit. Money in a young boy.
All right, guys, now that I showed you my car, let's go hiking.
Yeah.
Hey, what the fuck are you doing with my car?
Y'all girl, let's go have a threesome. I do not need her, I'm planning to leave her. Don't give her my number, she hitting my beeper. I pull up 2 girls and I got a 2-seater. I really want her, but I cannot keep her. I really want her, but she not a keeper. She a eater, gave me hit in my beater. Don't remember your name, but nice to meet you. Girl, you're so bad I should go off the meter.
All right, you guys ready to go hiking?
Yes, sir. Let's go.
Let's go. Hey, you know, we're at iJams. We got 4 dumbasses trying to we got a map.
Seems like we running out of time. Yeah, we still so young and got so much to find. We can't never let them break our mind. We gotta stay strong, conquer and don't divide. I come in peace, my heart already set on fire. If it ain't color, what's the difference from you and I? I'll let you decide, I'll come up with some repeated lies. I'm just tired of my kind, gotta be the one I'm dying. Looking in the sky, I know you with me, I can't cry. Standing what I stand on, I can't never switch sides. Sometimes I just wanna pop out on a flip by, but I put my head on, I pray I stay from off that route. Thinking about my niggas, I ain't seen them in a while. Thinking about my son, I just had another child. I've been thinking back on bro, like what the fuck we gon' do now? On this road to redemption, this shit get rocky and it's wild.
We're exploring the trail and look what we found.
Something weird, dude.
Yeah, Juan, go check out what's in there.
What the fuck? Come look,
What's in there?
What the fuck?
All right, guys, update. We found a Slender Man. What the fuck? Oh shit! What's it? Oh. What the?
Oh, see what?
They got 2 dogs.
Really?
That's no bitch, bro.
Okay.
Yeah, let's go down here.
Climb over. Bubba, here. Bubba, here. Bubba, the phone, cuz.
I got you. Oh, they're stealing, bro. Yo, what the?
Bro, Steve, you think you could fit in there?
Shit, what if like a snake pops out?
Get up there.
Oh, so you're telling me it's fit of water now?
That butt, though. What's up there?
I don't know. Oh shit, sorry.
What the? All right, so they're about to race here. I'll throw the bottle in the air.
No.
And when it lands, you guys go. Ready? Oh, it looks like Steven got him, and the freight train beat him. All right, so we're at B-Dubs. We're about to feast. Am I right, Ty?
Yeah.
Hey, yo, what the fuck is that? All right, guys, we got a problem. We followed the GPS and ended up in a fucking cemetery.
I'm gonna die.
Shit. We'll let you guys know what happens. Oh shit, guys, it's so. Wait, what the fuck is that? Ah! Boo! I hope you enjoy.